So I just want to start by saying that this isn't a call out of the company in particular here, but unfortunately they get to be used as an example in my rambling complaint. And basically my complaint is that the US kind of sucks. It'd be nice if we had a functional government, and it'd be especially nice if we had consumer protection laws. Now, I did call the company in this particular case, and the agent I talked to was nice. She seemed to care about my complaint. And like with most companies, if you have a problem with the product and you complain about it, they'll usually take your feedback and send you coupons for more product or whatnot. So, technically things are made right, but it's kind of annoying that you have to go through that process. And something I really hate is, goodness, jump scare, how the product looks one way on the packaging, and then when you open it up, it looks nothing like that. And it's pretty much looked like this the whole way through. There was a little bit more chocolate in the middle than you see now, but most of it has just been this banana flavored ice cream with some fruit chunks that are very sparingly put in there, and basically no chocolate. Like, just kind of keep digging. I mean, there's some at the bottom, but it was all very sparsely populated or put in through the ice cream. And it's not to say that the ice cream isn't good. I've enjoyed it, but I would have enjoyed it more if it actually had chocolate in it, like the picture. Like, I don't know how much chocolate's there, but I feel like that's at least like maybe 10% chocolate versus this. I got maybe 1% chocolate. But yeah, like, it pisses me off that companies think they can get away with this. And who knows? Maybe my complaint will do something, because obviously they don't know what consumers are thinking. But you'd think that it'd be at least be like, we're going to accurately represent the product in our pictures. And yeah, I don't have a fancy pants ice cream scoop, but there's actually more chocolate in here than my other bowls, because all the chocolate that was in this was basically in the middle. But yeah, it's kind of frustrating that companies think they can get away with false advertising. I wish things were more like Japan. I think it's Japan, where they have to accurately show the size and quantity and like condition of the product on the packaging rather than just making stuff up. But I don't know. I guess the moral of the story is if you buy a product and it isn't as pictured, call the company and complain. Usually their numbers on the side, along with they'll want the batch number and some of the other relevant information on the packaging. And if they send you coupons, cool. If they don't, I guess you just never buy the product again, because they're not going to learn. But that's just my little rant. Thanks for watching.